All right, folks, I'm preparing my classroom for open house, and this is what I got to do. This is life in the free state of Florida. In case you're wondering, that is a full bookshelf. There's my other bookshelves. Some more bookshelves. The signs all say the same thing. Some more bookshelves. Everything's got to be covered because my books have not yet been vetted by the state. I'm not doing this to make a statement. This is literally what we were asked to do by our administration and our district if our books were not vetted by the state. This is what conservatives want to bring to the United States because it works so well here in Florida. This isn't just some abstract theoretical political debate here. This is real life. If this is what you voted for, well, you got it. But don't try to justify it to me. I'm living it. And my peers are living it. And it makes me vomit.